Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Minion Bundle.
What?
I got this from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below if you want to buy it.
The Minions The Rise of Gru movie was supposed to be released in the summer of 2020, but because of COVID-19, it has been moved to 2021. Hot Wheels is not waiting and has released these character cars.
So let's open this box up. So you can see on the front of the box, there's a Minion eye. Then it says Hot Wheels character cars. And on the side you can see that's happening. And on the back you can see Young Gru and then all the Minions. So let's open up the lid and see what else is inside. On the left, there's a short story on the movie, and I'll pause so you guys can read this. And then also, you can see there's Carl, Stewart, Bob, Otto, Kevin, and Young Gru. And these are little pop-ups, and I'll show you what's under them when I get to them. So let's start with Carl. So you can see he has his eye right here, then the yellow on the top, and then the blue on the bottom. Backlights. This is a pretty cool design for Carl's car. So now let's take a look at Stewart's car. So you can see his huge head, then his goggles, and the super tiny wheels, then the back with the 4 exhausts, the wing on the back of his head. These car designs so far have been pretty weird. So now let's take a look at Bob's car. His car has 2 eyes. On the front right here.
King Bob!
Then the back, you can see the 2 exhausts, and then to the back, there's 2 backlights. So next up is Otto. So on this car, there's the gold token on the back. And then check out the 2 eyes on the front. And this is a pretty big car. So let's check out Kevin's car. So Kevin's car also has 2 eyes. Then the backlights, and it says Kevin on the license plate. Then of course his hair on the top. So the last car is Young Gru. So this car has the design of his scarf right here on the side. Then you can see the exhaust on the back. Huge booster. Then the brown. Then the black top. And the gray sides.
My name is Gru!
So my favorite car out of all 6 of these is definitely the first one, which is Carl. This car has more of a sports car look to it, and I really like it. Just to let you guys know, if you didn't want to punch them out, you could have just opened it from the bottom here. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of these 6 Minion cars.